Good morning, welcome. It's Easter time. Wow, how exciting. Guess what we've got on the menu? We've got some chocolate Easter pancakes. So first little trick, get a tea towel. Give it a little wrap around. Make a little spot for your bowl to sit. If you've got a few kids, let's all do this one together. Nice and simple. I've got some organic self-raising flour. I'm adding in 1 cup, depending on how many people you've got. This should be suitable for 3 to 4 people, so you can double that if you like. Adding in 2 tablespoons of cacao. We could use cocoa powder. This is optional. I'm not sure that you're all going to have it, but I'm going to add in some watermelon seed butter. So optional, you don't have to add that in. I'm adding a tablespoon of that. Use some cacao instead of that as a replacement. Adding in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and adding in a teaspoon of baking powder. Giving that a stir, nice and simple. And now I'm adding in a cup of milk to mix that together and to make that pancakes mixture. Nice and simple, mixing it together. If you wanted to, you could make this the night before. So then on the day, you can have the pancakes already pre-cooked, ready to go, up to you. Or you can have that fun in the morning before the kids get to the Easter eggs. A nice healthy alternative, very nourishing, full of vitamins, minerals, proteins, amino acids. It'll blow your socks off. Next, adding in sugar so you can control the sugar. I've added some maple syrup, so I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons. I probably didn't add 2 tablespoons then, but up to 2 tablespoons. I'm already sweet enough. Adding in some more milk, just to make sure that it gets to a nice consistency. And what I am looking for in consistency is when I mix it, it should just drop off the spoon. Nice. Happy days. It's all mixed in. Now coming over to the stove. Very important, kids. This part's done with an adult. You can get the things ready, but it's important that the adults do this part. When you're holding a pan, yes, it can get hot, so have something in your hand like a tea towel. I'm adding in some nutmegs or some cashew butter or some oil into the pan just to soften it, stop it from sticking. Let the butter melt for a little bit. You'll notice that the mixture is just so good, full of chocolate goodness. And that starts to mix all the way around the pan. Then adding in a scoop. I've got a kitchen spoon. Let that sizzle away. Now you might need to vary the temperature as it gets hotter as well. So turn it on a medium to low heat. What we're looking for is it starts to colour around the outside, letting us know it's getting ready for us to flip it. And ready to flip. Oh, happy days. That'll be in the pan for another about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to make a giant stack of chocolate goodness. How good is that? When you've got that nice colour, as you can see, we're going to take that over and add that to our stack. Now, these aren't all for me, of course. They're for the whole family. Adding in some cocoa mixture or added extra, some chocolate. Mixing this, just a little bit of water. I've got some of those frozen berries we talked about earlier from our smoothie. Some cocoa. Making a little sauce here on the side. Mixing that together. Making a good mess now. It is breakfast, of course. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour that chocolate sauce all the way over the top. And as I said, you could just get some chocolate buttons, some of your chocolate Easter eggs, melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds and let that kind of just pour over the side. So all the recipes, just using the ingredients that you have. Optional extra, adding a bit of maple syrup. Adding some cacao nibs. Finishing up with a few seeds. I'm pretty sure you'll be the talk of the town with this one. Feel free to tag it. Add me on Instagram under Be Nourished Byron Bay and follow me for more recipes. Enjoy. Happy Easter all.